Welcome back.
Every time she's walking, we're walking. Every time she's smiling, we're smiling. Every time she's talking, we're talking.
Welcome back. Welcome back. God bless you guys, man.
Even if she's
Sado. Baby, oh yo yo, tell me what you want from me. Please, I want you guys to share Coco Love, please.
Can I have
Welcome back. Welcome back. God bless you guys. Happy Sunday to everybody.
a glass of cold water?
Please, my brother, send me request again, I beg. My brother Kingsley, or that from France, please send us a request, okay, so that you finish what you are saying. Please keep your comments coming, okay? Sugar,
We give them sugar.
sugar, sugar.
We give them sugar. Many cats are but me. Together we keep on this fun together. You want to give me answer, make you tell me.
Don Zubi.
Roll up, roll up, roll up, roll up.
Roll up, roll up, roll up. We are here.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah. Don Zubi, you get one thing where I want shipping.
Please tell us your name. Tell us your name and where you call us from, please.
My name, Baba Bimbo from Kusk.
Bimba from Kuz. Okay, now you be the Yoruba boy. Where that my sister?
You don't do no louder, no louder.
Go ahead.
Zubi, the number one thing where I want to talk be that guy, Osh. I know Osh Money, I be Osh Poppy. Where you call his name? That brother is talking in the nonsense. He got to apologize to the men. He's talking
apologize, please. But now your own opinion, please. Don't put insult to word, please. Now your
yeah,
opinion,
yeah,
please.
okay. No, like Don Zubi waiting to talk is easy to say, than putting it in action. Don Zubi, you see, relationship is far different from marriage.
Okay.
If na relationship, I will still understand. Say, okay, in a relationship. Once I know, I will just know, okay, in a relationship. Once I know, me with that girl, we go just turn to fuck mate. That one a relationship. But if na marriage, Don Zubi, marriage is forever. Before someone talk, say, I want marry, you don't sit yourself down. You don't take and say, okay, it's right time for me to get married. Who am I getting married to? And on that fateful day, you discover that, okay, something happened between your so-called wife, to be called wife, and your best man, say that they do something. And as a guy, if you talk, say, you proceed to that marriage. Zubi, there's something in this life, we say, if my father, they always talk one thing, say, if you offend someone, it better pass say you offend yourself. Because if you offend person, you feel beg and say, I'm sorry for what I did wrong, all those kinds of stuff. That person go accept, you go just forget that. But if you offend yourself, know how you feel beg yourself. This scar, it go dey inside your heart, everlasting. You will carry him till you die. Because on that wedding day, you say, okay, something happened. Because know how, number one, you don't go trust the girl again. You go marry your wife for house, even though when she don't born for you. To give the pikin money for school fees, you go the reason am 2 times. Say, this money where I won't give you now. I don't know, maybe na me born you. I be no me born you. You know,
you go for a DNA test? You go for a DNA test now?
They feel bribe. Girl, if you do that kind of thing, you know if you bribe doctor, you go bribe her.
You go bribe doctor too.
Don't do me, nothing we know the apple for what again now. Nothing we do the apple for what again. If you go bribe doctor go talk say, now you get the picking. So to do am, if me now, if that thing happen, say okay, they do am. I hear say my girl don't do this kind of thing. But it better make I hear me, I don't know the person. Me, I don't know where it come from. And it no go dey my heart. But my best man, my brother, he go dey my heart till I die. So the best na to just no marry that woman at all. Because woman will be say they fuck your best man. They say woman where they do fornication, if you no kill herself, she go kill the husband. So woman where they do that thing, one day, he go kill me. So that one, now that part be that. Then the second part where I want talk, now waiting that sister talk. He talk say, she talk say if na she at that moment say she go call off wedding, no woman go do am. Now your day, don't zubi. Mo talk the truth, no talk say mo no talk am. Maybe she dey talk that one because say she dey live video. No woman go do am. No go spoil your day. And it's very easy for a girl to proceed with the marriage than say a man proceed. Because as a girl, for a guy to say I won't marry you, you know dey easy. Make one guy talk say I won't marry this girl. He plan wedding. He spend all the money. If a guy no love a girl, he no talk say I won't marry her. Not to talk of say they plan the wedding, they spend money, he collect all, he do everything, he carry and go registry. He no easy. If a girl come hear am, it dey very easy for a girl to proceed with the marriage. If the girl talk say I no go proceed, the guy go marry another woman. Go marry another woman. So I dey advise girl that sister we talk say she go scatter am, make everybody they go aside. People go. The guy no go shame. Now the girl go shame.
The guy no go shame.
No go shame. Oh.
Whoa.
The guy no go shame. Now the girl, now he go shame. Because if the guy thought say okay, you don't go tomorrow, I won't start another marriage. The guy go drown. No say it's very easy for a guy to enter a relationship than a girl to enter a relationship.
Okay.
So for a guy as a guy now, talk say okay, me I won't marry this girl though. You don't get waiting the guy don't see. And one thing, they always be constant in life. Man, we always cheat. No how. But we don't know person we want shit with. That's the way they talk say, Igbo man, no they shit, na lie. Igbo man, they shit. Yoruba man, they shit.
He say, what do you call him?
He say, Igbo man.
Okay, Igbo man.
He say, Igbo guys, no they shit, na lie. All guys, they shit. Igbo, they shit. Yoruba, they shit. Outside, they shit. But the thing where they be say as a man, one thing where they constant, if a guy love a girl, if he shit on the guy, no be say he no love his wife, he love her. But normal thing, a guy go shit. Nah,
Okay,
normal thing. Yeah. So now we say I want to talk. And she they talk say Yoruba no they take care of woman and I lie. Oh. Ha. Yoruba
You won't go back to this tribal thing again now.
No, I know they go back to it. I just the shipping one or two.
Now Yoruba woman talk all these things. Now not me talk am.
Now because a man they beside them, and that man where they beside them now for me, but you no want talk anything. We go, you know.
Now Igbo man they beside them.
Now normal thing.
Wait, now she don't say Yoruba don't. She don't say Yoruba don't do many things. Say Yoruba break her heart. Yoruba do many. You know they hear what she they talk. Go listen to the video
say
on my YouTube.
Yoruba man break her heart. Even Igbo man if he don't break her heart. Maybe she never day into close something with Igbo. Now maybe they never break her heart. Heart is meant to be break. Doesn't be.
My brother, God bless you, Bimbo. Keep watching.
Okay, my brother.
No come here, come the preachers. Your sister have said what she said. Okay? There's no how we can repair everything which she don't talk her mind. She have said what she said. If you don't like it, take her to court. If you don't like what my sister talk, my Yoruba sister talk, take her to court. My brother, I'm calling you. My brother Franklin, I'm calling you back. Oh. My brother Franklin from France, I'm trying to bring you back. Please, can you kindly go back to your network? Good morning, Hello. Good afternoon. Please tell us your name and where you call us from, please.
Hello, good afternoon, Zubi. My name is Anthony from Netherlands.
Oh, Anthony from Netherlands. God bless you. God bless my Netherlands fans watching right now. So, my brother, that's a money question show with Don Zubi. As a man, you find out on your wedding day that your best man is sleeping with your wife. What will you do?
Yeah, Zubi.
Start up in the building.
Yeah, three things where I need to point out on this issue. One, if I won't marry. Two, if I don't marry. Three, if Peking don't date. Not good three things I mentioned. You understand? One, if I won't marry, because now it be the topic when you bring now, I still get any decision I don't need Odumeje to prophesy for me, to tell me on what to do. You understand? If I don't still marry, I don't still need Odumeje to prophesy for me on what to do. But if Pikin don't come, I don't marry, I get Pikin, I need Odumeje to prophesy for me before I go leave that marriage. You know why? Bros, marriage, when Pikin never dey, na another thing entirely. If you don't get Pikin with woman, no matter how strong that man dey, no matter how wicked or whatever, that man go calm down. Even before you go take decision for woman because of your Pikin, you go think twice because of your Pikin. Like for instance now, if I want marry, I discover say my best friend, even if you not be my best friend, it can be any person with evidence say the woman I want marry, he go sleep with another man. I don't need anybody to tell me on what to do. I go decide to leave the girl, the woman, because you know why? I never married the woman and she never get Pikin with me. I don't experience on certain things from her. That means now, if I marry her, she get Pikin for me. And that thing when me experience now her habit. Remember about 4 days ago, you get what I tell you concern habit. Habit now very strong something. They know they two change habit. Habit now something when we say now only God fit change person habit. Any woman when get mind to go sleep with your best friend, Zubi. Now God exposed that woman to you for you to know say not be my woman one need to marry. And not they surprise say you hear, you go begin to ask yourself, say why I don't know this thing on time before I marry her. It's not your fault as a man, because women for relationship, their heart is very deep. We get very open-minded for people to understand who we really be. You understand? But woman feel cheat you for 10 years, for good 10 years. The day when she go expose, it means saying that God really expose her, not be you. No matter how intelligent you dey for relationship, we not dey intelligent reach where women dey. Then they very intelligent to cheat more than us. You understand? So if that thing now you can't know about those things, it means now really God exposed that girl for you to know who that girl be. So for me, I go leave the girl because now God exposed her to me. But if the king don't really dey, Zubi, he get some things now as I dey, he get some things when my wife go do. I go look my daughter. I go look her. I go keep quiet. You know why I keep quiet? Because he get wetin I fit do to hurt her. She feel remain single mother forever. Me feel remain single father forever. And even if now still marry, but I not feel just dey enjoy for where I dey now with another woman. The question now, the wife when born for me so please have my Pikin. They sustain her
Gabi,
life.
stay tuned. I'm bringing you after this caller, Gabi.
Huh?
Go ahead.
The question now, how my Pikin they survive? Who know whether my Pikin they okay? Because so you know one begin they get that type of thinking from different places, different confusion. You go always try to respect yourself, to stay calm with who you marry. But the point is, as long as I never marry the woman, or I don't marry the woman, we never get Pikin, I feel still decide at any time, I no go think twice, because Pikin never dey. Because marriage, when Pikin never dey, the man or the woman, then they easily to run comot without thinking anything. It go only pain her. But if the Pikin dey, you see that Pikin, anytime when the man or the woman they see that Pikin, the memory of that man go always dey with the woman. I feel married today now. I know they see what thing they use remember my wife. I go always they remember I be married to also person. I go come out those things, that feeling for my mind. But if I think my Pikin or I see her picture, I go remember the mother. So as for me, if my woman won't marry, she sleep with, even if now somebody else, there is evidence. I not talk of my best friend though. There is evidence say she really cheat. She is not meant for me. So what is the need of try to force myself? Because marriage not be waiting that they force. If you force yourself, my brother, the person will kill himself secretly. Marriage na something when we say, if you want marry, you go marry a person when you really understand. Person when you really know, say, yes, this person not they cheat. Because the biggest pains in marriage now when your partner they cheat on you. Talk of on your wedding day, now you catch her with red-handed, or you see evidence say she cheat on you. Now you say, I love her. You go there. You know what is love? She can stay for 60 years. That same pain still there in you. There will never be trust anymore as long as say you don't see say she they cheat on you. So what is the need? So my own point is, if it's me, I don't need a reverend pastor or whoever to prophesy or to advise me on what to do. I will leave the woman, because now real God expose her to me. Because for you to see woman say she cheat on you, you know really mean say you too damn intelligent. Anytime when you catch your woman red-handed and not talk of suspect, you'll see your woman say she they cheat on you. Now God expose that woman to you. Because man, we feel cheat, we not get secret for relationship, but woman get really deep secret for relationship. Very deep one, or very deep one, very deep one. So anytime when you catch your woman say she cheat on you, now God, not be you, expose that woman to you. So as for me, that marriage is over. Even if na my best friend or na person where I not even know, but I see say evidence is there. Zubi.
Sorry, before you go, someone say, how can you know your partner do not cheat? Why? I don't really understand.
How can I know if my partner is not cheating on me?
Do not know.
That is what I'm saying. Like sometimes we they accuse women wrongly. Sometimes now you get some certain things where women feel do, go just accuse and say that they cheat on us. At the end, they only cheat on us. But for you to know whether your partner they cheat on you, Zubi, believe me, it takes only the grace of God. You understand? It gets sometimes when woman feel they cheat on you, you know go ever know. But we won't be man. You know, say our life now, we always they jump up for relationship. But women, then they do their own, they go still, then they pretend too much. So if you see say your woman they cheat, now just the grace of God. Sometimes if you monitor her for years, you know if you know what she they always they do. Unless God expose her, or she won't let you know, say, see waiting they happen. Because now waiting woman won't let you know, you go know. The one when she don't want, may you know go know. But then when be women's, you as a man, then go know waiting be your secret. Believe me, they go know your secret. But we no go know their own. Because our mind, it too, as man, our mind, they open. But their own, then they pretend for relationship. When we say they're not really date for the relationship, but they will pretend. Like man now, if they date woman, you want to achieve something from her. That woman, you know, go date her for like 3 months or 5 months. That woman go know. But woman now feel pretend for man. For 1 year, the man no go know. But the woman they there. So all these things take only the grace of God. So anytime when God expose the woman when you date, for you to know the kind of life when she they live. No reason I say you too monitor her or you too carry your eyes now. It means saying that God exposed that girl to you. Because sometimes intelligent man for relationship, they accuse girl wrongly. At the end, he will find out say this one they accuse this girl not be so it be, because our own we they accuse, we go say why this, why that, why this, why this. At the end, we just they talk different things. If waiting, we just they talk. The woman just for the beating, like she accept of waiting we talk. That means we don't catch her. No, intelligent girl. You go there with her for house. Waiting she they do. You know go know. Imagine now you get picking. You go tell you say I won't go fetch water. Before she go fetch that water, come she don't fall come back. You know go know.
Oh!
Why they shock now? Waiting I talk. So man, if man self cheat, if you intelligent woman, if that man come back, the mode of that man will change. No matter how that man they intelligent, if the woman they very intelligent, very well, he go know say yes, this man don't cheat. But we men, you know, go know. Now gift when God give them, then they very good to cheat more than us when be men. You understand? So if that thing happen to me, it means I'm not they intelligent. You know me say they intelligent to know, but now just God help me to expose who the girl be to me. You understand?
My brother, God bless you for joining us. God bless you for your point, okay? Please keep watching, my brother.
All right, respect.
God bless you. Please, special announcement. Oluwabin, I see you. And happy birthday, Silva, for joining us. Happy birthday, Moving Trend. Big shout out to you, Moving Trend Dynasty. Today is your birthday. God bless you. God bless your movement, okay? Please, if you be gay, your papa or your mama go send you, make you go fetch water. According to our brother, wake up. He say, if you won't go fetch water, you will go fuck, come back, stop him. May you not get belly. Please, don't do that, okay? If he then send you to go fetch water, go and fetch water, come back peacefully, okay? Do not go from fetching water to do something else, okay? Please, this is my appeal to you guys. I'm just begging. Trying to bring my fan back, but it's not going to, okay?
Hey, Mauga.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Good morning, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, bro. How you been now?
I did fine. So,
Yeah.
tell us your name and where you call us from, please.
Yeah, I'm Professor Gavi. I'm calling from Moscow here. So.
Professor
Shout out
Gabi.
to, yeah. Shout out to everyone on this
Gabi,
platform.
please,
And,
you need to stay one place so that we can be able to communicate with you.
yeah, I don't been follow your line since house. You know, being, you know,
I
I
know.
think it was
Okay,
a baby. Yeah.
what you do, just find a better place to just sit down so that we can have like 20 minutes chat with you, okay? I will bring you back now.
All right, thank you very much.
Just
Yeah.
let me know. Let me know when you are in a better position. Just write
Okay.
comments. I
I'll
will bring you
position
back, please.
myself now. All right. Thank you.
Okay. Forgive me. Oh. So, guys, our last caller said there is no need of you going further in that wedding. Since you have find that, now God open up that lady Nash to know, say, you catch him on your wedding day. Say there is no need for you to go to that wedding. You don't need to go ahead on that wedding. And he also talks, if they send you to go fetch water, do not from there to go and do another thing, please. Hold up. Good morning, good afternoon. Please tell us your name and where they call us from, please.
Okay, so Bianca, I'm calling you from Benin.
Whoa, so Bianca, God bless you for joining us. Big shout out to my Benin family watching right now. Just a money question show with Don Zubi. So my sister and my brothers, as a woman, you find out in your wedding day that your bridesmaid is sleeping with your husband, what will you do?
Yes, as a woman, on my wedding day, I'll find out my bridesmaid is sleeping with my husband. First of all, we investigate. Is that the first time? Have they been doing it? Is that a send-off party? Before I go to the altar with my husband, the person I'm dating, I would have studied him to a certain level. Because first of all, it's in a man's nature to cheat. It's in their nature to cheat. But before taking me to the eye to tell me I do, I will know that yes, this person really, really loves me. But he was saying something the other day that this Chinedu, what was his name? He said something that woman, if you go fetch water, it will come forth. Let me tell you, when a woman is cheating, she cannot hide her cheating.
No be Chinedu, no be Chinedu. The last
I didn't
caller,
know.
go ahead.
I heard the last caller, yes. He said when a person is cheating, a woman is very secretive. A man has secret more than a woman. A man can keep a family outside for 20 years. He will still love you, cherish you, take care of you, make it up to you. You won't even tell if he's cheating. But a woman, yes, some women are secretive, but you get to know. Her attitude will change, even in bed.
Someone said talk your own. Please leave her to make her point. Go ahead, my sister.
Yes, I will also share my idea, what I feel I will do. Because I cannot just walk away just like that from a cheating relationship. Because if I'm already married to him and maybe he's sleeping with my maid, will I leave my matrimonial home because he's sleeping with my maid? What are the things I'm doing that have to push him to go and sleep with my maid? If there's a way I can make corrections, I will do that. If there's a way I can't, if there is a goat, I will have to leave. But nobody above mistake. That's one thing people should know. Nobody above mistake, especially a man. But after a woman is married and she's cheating on her husband.
Sorry, my sister. Someone say you have to test different totona. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you. But as a woman, for you to, anyway, I'm from Edo, so I'm going to talk from my tradition. For you to get married to a man, marriage, that's why they tell people, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health. It's an institution you don't graduate for, you keep learning. So if I am the woman cheating on my husband, what is my reason? I should know the implication of doing that as an adult woman. You know now, when you are caught, you have to kill goats. Is it that the man cannot meet up to your needs? Is it that the dick is too small? Is it that it does not give you money for feeding? These are things family can address. Instead of me to cheat on him while in his house, I will pack out. I will fight for a divorce and leave. I will pack out of his house because I wouldn't do that because tradition will always play a role. But as a man can marry as many wives as possible. He can decide to marry 3, 2, or 4.
So, madam, sorry. Someone say they don't collect the cola on you now. They don't collect the cola. They don't
on the
traditional something. They don't do something on your head.
Yes. So why would the woman, if there's an issue you cannot address, you talk to the mother, you talk to the father, you talk to the elder, you talk to people. When you are married to a man, you can address his family. But if you're a girlfriend, it's a different ball game. A girlfriend is a different ball game entirely. So if except I catch my husband sleeping with my cousin or my blood sister, I will leave because I expect him to have some sense of decency. But if he's a girl outside and all that, I can quarrel over it, we trash it, and I will be able to keep my home together. But me as a woman, because my husband has not slept with me for 3 months, is not enough reason why I should sleep with the gate man. Because I can get pregnant for the gate man, I'll keep it as a secret and have a child for my husband. Then it will come and play a role after 25 years when the child will not be looking for the father. What kind of a mother will I be? Look into the face of my child and start telling the child, I'm sorry, it was a mistake. What kind of a mistake is that from a lady? But a man can have a child outside and he will still call her, baby, I'm sorry. You know, that time when I traveled to Kaduna, you know, the place of work, I stayed up to 2 years. I didn't touch her. Oh. I was on my own. No, she was just coming. Hey, man, he assisted her and she got pregnant. If it's something you can live with, he can still love you while making that mistake. If you want to let go, go. But my advice to ladies is you don't just walk away from your marriage because your husband is cheating on you. Because most girls nowadays are dating married men. So what do they expect? If you date a married man, you get married tomorrow, somebody will also date your husband. So why do you want to walk away? And what if you're not a virgin? You catch him sleeping with your chief bridesmaid. What if you already slept with the best man and broke up with him even before the marriage? So I know a lot of people might want to criticize me because that is my own point. If you are saying women have secrets, men also have secrets. They also, they can keep secrets, bros. They can even have a child and tell you, no, this, that, and you won't believe. You will say yes, you will marry him, not knowing he has a child outside. After giving birth to your own, taking your child is the first. One day, maybe after some years, maybe 15 years, 10 years also. If he decides to, if he still decides not to take, he can even die during the process. Then the family will bring up, if you watched, there's a movie I watched, Displaced, where the man was living with the woman, made her to be doing abortion while in his matrimonial home, and he had another lady pregnant who gave him a son, a 5-year-old son. So after his death, the lady came and told the woman, I'm legally married to you, though I'm not married to your husband, sorry, but I have a son for him. And through the investigation, he willed everything to the son, leaving the wife at home stranded. So that is why I use the word, when I was helping, I say some persons are just hypocrites. They just want to hurt you. How can you love a person, you will not tell the person who you are?
So, Ma, please, can you still come back to the topic? As a woman,
Yes.
you find that your bridesmaid is sleeping with your husband. What are you going to do? Are you going on the wedding, or you are quitting the wedding?
I will think about it. If my chief bridesmaid is not my sister, is not my cousin, if it's just a friend, I will go on with my wedding, because these are temptations.
Okay.
But if it's related to me by blood, I will call off the wedding.
Okay, if
But
it's your sister.
I will call off the wedding.
Okay. Okay.
My cousin, I will call off the wedding.
Okay.
If it's any of my relation, I will call off the wedding. Because if a man can sleep with the wife's sister or the cousin, I wonder if he will not sleep with the wife, the child you are going to, again, you see the rape case everywhere. He will not sleep with his child. So no need. If it's a girl, maybe just my friend from outside that is sleeping with my husband, I will go on with the wedding.
Okay.
I will go on with the wedding. After marrying my husband, then I will trash the issue. I will not just call it off immediately.
Glory be to God. So please give them advice. I want you to give the ladies advice now. Anyone that finds himself in this situation, please, if you need the advice.
Yes. As a lady, you will be hurt. Definitely, your partner is cheating on you, even on the day of your wedding and all that. You can still do it after the wedding. I always advise people, whatever you do, apply wisdom. Patience is a virtue a woman should always possess.
Okay.
Patience is a virtue a woman should. You cannot be as angry as a man, because you are going to destroy a lot of things. So above all, we need grace of God.
Okay.
So I will tell them, if it's something you can let go, if you catch them in the act, it might be their first time, and you can let go on with the wedding. But if you have been seeing him before and he said he has changed, and he keep repeating it, you discover you can no longer go on with the wedding. You have your take. You can take your decision. And you can cancel the wedding and later remarry him again. But I would advise to marry and see, because he must have paid the traditional things before catching him that day of the wedding. Because the white wedding is not our tradition. I don't know whether you get me. He didn't sleep with somebody the day they are playing your traditional way. As Africans, let's take our culture very seriously. So you call, if it's something you can address, you address it and go on with your husband. Marry him and make your home. That your friend also is a betrayal.
Someone say, and you think you can change that kind of man?
Is there, okay, show me a man who does not cheat, and I'll show you a pregnant virgin.
Whoa! Hold up. Go ahead.
Is it a man's DNA to cheat? It is their nature. You can't remove that. Some just have self-control and some just have the fear of God. Giving him the best of food might not make him stay. Giving him sex every day cannot make him stay. A man that just wants to stay, just decide to stay. It's just self-control. So they are saying, if he cheats on me, I will leave this. Did he marry you a virgin? So it's vice versa. So let's just join our heads together, and this we need God. That's in marriage. That's why you need God. You need counseling. So if the person is telling me that Are you saying that? No. What I'm saying is patience is a virtue a woman should possess. That is it. No man will not dey cheat. May I use pidgin talk am? Make the person check anywhere.
Okay.
Shey men dey go abroad, they go marry white for there. The white go dey born. Woman go dey here, go say e no concern am. So far e dey bring money come, make the children born for am. So that when the man come, he go dey take care of his wife when e dey here. Whereas if they say those one when they dey abroad, they no go come village. Say no concern and a white woman dey born am for. The woman go still come, he go still pretend for the woman say him be the man sister. Not be poverty make them do am like that. Wetin that will not be cheating. If he's a millionaire, he tried all his best to say, okay, I will not cheat on you. And somebody is coming every day to his office to open and close. He will assist her. He's going to do it. It's a mistake. You just pray to God because it's an urge. Most some men cannot control. It's only when he's a goat or he's a dog, he does it with every Tom, Dick, and Harry. You say, oh no, this is too bad.
Someone say, madam, it's not true. Man cheats and a woman cheat as well.
Yes. A woman also
choice. It's a matter of choice.
But as a woman, according to our tradition, you are married and you do that. You have to go away now. You have to leave the house. Because as a lady, with all those traditional, with your children, or maybe you are married, why will you cheat? If you don't love him in the first place, why get married to him? If is that he's not cheating on you, he wants to bring the woman home, he treats you, he neglects you, there's a certain level of patience you exercise. You have to leave. You call family, they will address the issue. I've seen women who the husband will tell them to leave. I've seen like that in my area. The man asked her to leave. It was because he was dating another lady. So actually the woman left. He chased out of the home. You know, she left. She didn't bother about it. She took the children to her own mother's side. She started taking care of the children. The man was sending money. Later, he didn't send. The only thing the woman did, that's why I say patient. It's not everybody that will have it. This woman tried her best never to cheat on the husband, but loved the children and waited for 5 years for the man to regain his sanity.
No mistake in cheating. Cheating is a decision.